Hello everyone. In this presentation, I will analyze intercultural communications through the conflicts between Tony Stark and Steve Rogers in Captain America Civil War. Their disagreement reflects differences in cultural values, communication styles, identity, and power, which lead to the serious misunderstanding and conflicts. This is the table of content. My presentations will discuss six main points: communication style, cultural identity, hostage value dimensions, power dynamic, cultural context, and intercultural misunderstanding. I will lead by proposing solutions based on intercultural theories. Civil War focused on the Sokovia Accords, which divided the Avengers. Tony and Steve respond differently because they came from different cultural backgrounds, historical experience, and value system, even though they are both American superheroes. Next is communication style. Tony Stark communicates using sarcasm, humor, and indirect language. Steve Rogers communicates directly and seriously. These different verbal styles cause tensions because Tony sounds dismissive while Steve sounds rigid and judgmental. Next is miscommunication scene. In the Sokovia Accord discussion scene, Tony explains government control as responsibility. Steve interprets it also of it as loss of freedom. These misunderstandings happens because they define control and safety through different cultural lenses. This is the nonverbal communications. Nonverbal communications also plays a role. Tony relaxed posture suggests confidence and flexibility. Steve's upright military posture show disciplines and authority. These nonverbal differences reinforce their assumptions about each other. Now is cultural identity. Collective identities is shaped by World War II. Values such as duty, loyalty, and sacrifice. Tony's identity is shaped by modern culture, technology, and individual decision making. This identity strongly influence how they communicated and act to each other. Now is identity and decision making. Steve prioritized moral responsibility and teamwork. Tony prioritized innovation and fast solutions. These differences becomes clear when Tony supports technological solutions while Steve questions their technical consequence. And next is Hofstede's dimension. Using Hofstede's theory, Steve represents collectivism and high uncertainty avoidance. Tony represents individualism and low uncertainty avoidance. These value differences explain why they respond differently to risk and authority. And for the value conflicts, Tony accepts uncertainty because he believes innovations prevents future disasters. Steve avoids uncertainty because he fears unpredictable consequences. These conflicts show how cultural values influence perceptions of risk. And next is power dynamics. For the power dynamics, Tony holds technological and economic power through his inventions. Steve holds moral and symbolic power as a Captain America. These two types of power compete, shaping how decisions are negotiated within the team. And this is the power struggle. In Civil War, Tony supports the Sokovia Accords to reduce global risks. Steve rejects them due to distrust of institutions, its views the other's position as dangerous, not cultural. And next is cultural context. Tony Worldwide is influenced by post 9/11 fears and global insecurity. Steve's worldview is shaped by wartime experience with corrupt authority. This historical context shape how they interpret responsibility. Tony, because of their different past experience, Tony trusts systems and regulations, while Steve trusts personal moral judgment. Their context lead them to opposite conclusions, despite having the same goal. And for the last is issue and solutions. Intercultural issues is lack of cultural understanding. Both assume the other is acting emotionally or selfishly, rather than recognizing deeply rooted cultural differences. Misunderstanding. Tony sees Steve as stubborn and unrealistic. Steve sees Tony as reckless and arrogant. This interpretation are cultural misunderstanding, not personality laws. And this is the consequence that they have. This failed communication result in divisions, loss of trust, and collapse of teamwork. The Avengers split showing how poor intercultural communication damages collaboration. Solution 1 is they need two cultural empathy. Tony and Steve need to acknowledge each other's cultural values and historical experiences before making decisions together. And for the solution 2, uh, is a shared decision-making framework. Combining moral judgment and technological reasoning would allow negotiation instead of confrontations. And this is for the conclusions. In conclusions, civil war shows how differences in cultural identity, values, communication style, and context lead to intercultural conflict. Understanding these differences is essential for effective cooperations. Thank you.